Good afternoon. Welcome. Where would you like to go today?
Good afternoon, thank you. I'd like to go to the Grand Riverside Hotel, please.
Certainly. That's about 45 minutes away, depending on the traffic. Is this your first visit to our city?
Yes, it is. I've always wanted to visit, so I'm very excited to finally be here.
That's wonderful to hear. Did you have a comfortable flight?
It was a long journey, but everything went smoothly. I managed to sleep for a few hours on the plane.
That's good. Long flights can be exhausting. Are you traveling for business or on vacation?
I'm on vacation. I've been working very hard for the past year, so I decided it was time to take a break and explore somewhere new.
That's a great decision. Everyone deserves a holiday now and then. How long are you planning to stay?
I'll be here for 10 days. I hope that's enough time to visit the famous attractions and experience the local culture.
10 days is a nice amount of time. You won't need to rush. You'll have plenty of opportunities to explore.
That's exactly what I want. I don't like traveling in a hurry. I prefer taking my time and enjoying each place.
I completely agree. Sometimes people try to visit too many places in one trip, and they end up feeling tired instead of relaxed.
That's true. I prefer quality over quantity.
Have you already planned your itinerary?
I have a basic plan, but I also want to leave some free time for unexpected adventures.
That's a smart approach. Sometimes the best experiences happen when you don't plan everything.
Exactly. I enjoy discovering hidden places that aren't mentioned in travel guides.
You might find some lovely neighborhoods, small cafes, and local markets that tourists often miss.
That's what I'm hoping for. I enjoy meeting local people and learning about their daily lives.
Most visitors only see the famous landmarks, but the real charm of a city is often found in the everyday life of its people.
I couldn't agree more.
Where are you traveling from?
I'm from Canada.
That's a beautiful country. I've seen many documentaries about its mountains and lakes.
Yes, Canada has many beautiful natural landscapes. Winters can be quite cold, though.
I've heard that some places receive a lot of snow every year.
That's right. Some cities experience heavy snowfall, while others have milder winters.
I don't think I'd be used to such cold weather.
It takes time to adapt, but eventually you get used to it.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
That sounds creative.
It is. I enjoy designing logos, websites, and marketing materials for different companies.
Do you work from home or in an office?
Mostly from home. My company allows flexible working hours.
That must make life easier.
In some ways, yes. However, it also requires good time management because there isn't anyone watching over you.
Self-discipline is very important when working remotely.
Absolutely.
What are you most excited to see during your trip?
I'm looking forward to visiting museums, parks, historical buildings, and trying local food.
The museums here are excellent. You'll learn a lot about the city's history.
I love history. It helps me understand how different cultures developed over time.
That's a wonderful way to look at it.
By the way, do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. Every day is different because I meet people from all over the world.
I imagine you've heard many interesting stories.
Oh, definitely. Some passengers are students, some are business people, and others are backpackers traveling on a budget.
That sounds fascinating.
One of the best parts of my job is learning about different cultures without leaving my city.
That's a nice way to think about it. Do you ever travel yourself?
Whenever I get the chance, I usually take short trips because of work.
What's your favorite destination?
I enjoy places with mountains and lakes. I find nature very relaxing.
I feel the same way. Spending time in nature helps me reduce stress.
Fresh air and peaceful surroundings can make a big difference.
What kind of food would you recommend?
If you enjoy trying local dishes, I'd recommend visiting family-owned restaurants instead of large chain restaurants.
Why is that?
The food is often fresher and more authentic, and you'll also support local businesses.
That's an excellent point.
Don't be afraid to ask the staff for recommendations.
I will. Are you interested in shopping?
A little. I prefer buying handmade souvenirs instead of expensive luxury items.
Handmade products usually have a story behind them.
Exactly. I like bringing home something unique. How is the weather during this season?
It's generally pleasant, although there can be occasional rain. I brought both light clothes and a jacket just in case.
That's a wise decision. The weather can change unexpectedly.
I noticed that people here seem very friendly.
Most people enjoy helping visitors. We appreciate it when travelers respect our customs and traditions.
I always try to learn a few local expressions before visiting another country.
Even a simple greeting can make people smile.
Have you ever had any unusual passengers?
Quite a few. One passenger accidentally left a violin in my taxi.
Really? What happened?
Fortunately, the passenger called the taxi company later that day and I was able to return it.
I'm sure they were very grateful.
They certainly were.
Technology has changed travel a lot, hasn't it?
Yes, nowadays people use maps, translation apps, and online bookings for almost everything.
It's much easier than carrying paper maps everywhere.
Although sometimes it's nice to disconnect from technology and simply enjoy the moment.
I agree. I don't want to spend my entire vacation looking at my phone.
Do you enjoy taking photographs?
Very much. Photography helps me remember special moments.
Just remember not to spend the whole trip behind the camera.
That's good advice. Some memories are better experienced than photographed.
What do local people usually do during weekends?
Many people spend time with their families, visit parks, enjoy outdoor activities, or meet friends for coffee.
That sounds relaxing.
Have you learned any useful travel lessons?
Yes, I always pack light, keep digital copies of important documents, and arrive at airports early.
Those are valuable habits.
What's the most important advice you'd give to first-time visitors?
Be respectful, stay curious, try new experiences, and don't worry if everything doesn't go according to plan.
That's excellent advice.
We're almost at your hotel now.
The journey went by so quickly because we had such a nice conversation.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you for the pleasant ride and for sharing so many helpful tips.
You're very welcome. I hope you have an amazing vacation and create wonderful memories.
Thank you. I certainly will.
Here we are, the Grand Riverside Hotel.
Perfect. Here's the fare, and please keep the change.
Thank you very much. That's very kind of you.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay, and I hope you visit us again someday.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, and take care.